Beasts, beans and birds, snow soul tracking. The indoor plants seem to be having a meeting about whether they should let the outdoor plants in. Outdoor plant seems happy outside. They know that snow doesn't visit that often. Feeling snow happy! Bye plant beauties. Bye! 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 Off I venture for a wide winter wonderland well-being walk. Oh, some tracks in the snow. Who made these, do you think? Quite big feet, though not a wide-stepped beast. Whoa, track overload. Which one shall I follow? I love this tree. Beneath it are so many sole prints. This sole seems sturdy and dependable. This one could possibly be a little dotty. So many human beings been walking through here, methinks. Loving this clover pattern. This one was a welly being soled one. Or maybe this one was welly well. Ooh, another fine example of clover sole. Human being and their beast friend, perhaps, though they're walking in different directions. Human beings have been quite scarce recently, but I think I might spot one today with all these tracks. This one could be a beauty. I love this sole. Oh, there's another of their printed soles. It's like lots of rainbows. Oh, I like this one too. It's like sunny sunbeams. So many tracks in different directions. Now I don't know which to follow. The human beings or this animal? Whose sole prints are they? Curious. What made this one? It's a lot smaller than the first animal track I found. So far, no luck with the animal track and tracing. So I think I'm going to go with this lead now. I'm going on a human being hunt. This looks promising. Though a lot of the tracks are heading towards me. Oh, I can hear some beans nearby. Me too. Hello, Mr. Blackbird. Right, let's see whether we can find us a human bean or two then. Yay! Jackpot! Hi, human beings. It's so good to see you. Hello there, fellow human being. Hello. Hi. And then they were gone again as the blizzard crept in. So it was just me and the snow. But I can still hear the beans in the distance. And the birds. Look carefully for a little blue-tip beauty. Always impressed with the sideways snow painting on trees. Can you see the long-nosed camel hiding in the snow? Oh, I think she's spotted me. Wow, what a beautiful eye you have, Mr. Camel. Why, thank you, kind human being. Hi. Let's see if we can spot any more tree beasts. Oh no, I can hear a bean scream. There's plenty of tracks to follow. Could the beast that made the bean scream be beneath these branches? Or up in the zigzags of the canopy? Aha! More tracks! If I follow the direction of the arrows, will it lead me towards more clue or take me further away from the beast? Whoa! Is this its foot? Cowabunga! Who is this? A wow whistler, I believe. Right, let's see what else we can find. Epic! That's a massive beast soul print. I need to follow these tracks. Hello, fellow bean. Have you seen a beast near here today? No, not today. Okay, thanks. Bye. Wow, perfect print. What soul could have made this? This sleepy snow serpent, perhaps? Or... oh, what's that? Ah! Gotta get me out of here and find a calmer beast to befriend. Though I guess that beast could have been more bark than bite. Ooh, a polecat. Or are you a squirrel? From this side, more squirrel. Look at that epic tail. We had a stare down. Nice meeting you, Squire Cat. And then it was time for a moment of calm. Yes, even spiky holly leaves can exude sereneness. Thanks for joining me on my White Winterland Wellbeing walk.